is Baker. We are CNC, professional CNC screen machine manufacturer. Professional CNC screen machine manufacturer. Our brand, quantum screen machine. Quantum screen machine. Today, I will tell you a general idea about extension screen, oscillate, what our machine models have ability of producing extension screen and the extension screen using field. So today the topic is the small wire, middle wire extension screen, coarse extension screen. But today's topic is extension screen. This is the today's topic. Extension screen, extension screen. Tips for the type, for different type of the ends. For the loop, hooks or eyelets. Looks, different ends of loop, hook or eyelets. The side different structure at both ends. Extension screen. We are the extension screen. We have several models in ability, mass production, the loads, different types of extension screen at different appearance of all land. We call it belong to extension screen. This here's the general idea. Firstly, the different ends, like end loop, or loops, or twisted loops, hooks, complete hook, or semi-hook, and eyelets also have extended long hook, So varieties for extension screen. And the using it for a car, for a garage, for a garage door, for price, for industrial machinery, for chaperons, for different toys, for household hooks, single shape, or synchronized hooks in household or family using. So the usage for different extension screen. Firstly, this is my basic information. We are quantum screen machine of brand GSM manufacturer, CNC screen machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Over 20 years experience in this field with CNC screen machine mass production, manufacture, research and developing for different screens that take advance or update the machines. Quantum screen machine, and today the topic for extension screen. This is a fantastic information. Quantum screen machine, WhatsApp by Richard. We are manufactured in Dongguan City. I'll show you along. This is our workshop. And today the top is for the extension spring. This all of them have ability, mass production, the extension springs. This is our assembly workshop for this area for the spring forming machine. This area for spring forming machine. The small one, the front view, and the cameras, the back view, the front view, the assembling completed one, and the bigger one, the gets is from this gets is bigger and bigger, and this one is sampling process for the cameras one. This for the big wire, which this one for extension spring mass production for a feeding wire length 0.5 max to 4.5 millimeter, and presently the tools line up on for the flat strip and this one is progress for the sampling for the cameras 11 axis, also with ability production the extension spring, pull spring, and this one for the heavy duty. Cameras with wire rotary for extension spring, feeding wire length 3 to 8 millimeter. So all of them in different progress. All them have the ability to producing the extension spring for different shape, different using fields. And meanwhile, today, this for our spring coiling assembly area. And one of our clients stay here for the free using training today. This one for free using training today. Today, the topic is for the extension spring, for pull spring. So, the today topic for extension spring, for the pull spring. We are spring machine manufacturer. This is my contact information. We are spring machine manufacturer. CNC machine. All our lab, our machine are CNC type. Automatic spring machine. Today the topic is extension spring for different type of ends, so by rope, by hook, or by eyelets. Using that was different vehicles and parts. For example, the landing wiper, or the chuck, or the brakes extension spring. The garage door for by extension spring. The pliers, the industrial machinery. I'll show you in the example for the pull spring. For example, here's a pull spring. To lock here, then here. Adjust the dip with the sensor to detect these tension degrees. This side for the pull spring fixed between here and here, the pull spring using side. So today the topic is the pull spring. The pull spring, the extension spring of different parts every car has a floor screen also like a wiper, a landing wiper, extension screen. The trucks or the brakes have at least 3 extension screens inside for every unit of brake pad. Every brake, every car's brake have at least 3 extension screens. This the brake spring using example in automobile brake system. At the here's example, 3 extended springs used in one car's brake unit. Okay, continue the brake extension spring for garage, for glass door, for the pliers, for industrial, for chapel, for sports or kindergartens, chapels have extension springs. For toys, for any age of the toys, many of them have the extension spring inside, in interiors or exteriors. Also for household using, for example, the simple hooks extension springs. This extension spring using example. Okay, so next to show you some the machines making for the extension springs. These 3 models with wire rotary, 10 base with wire rotary for extension spring. For extension spring, for extension springs, for simple hooks, and the center loop extension springs. Also for the agriculture torsion, double torsion spring. This for extension spring forming machine. Extension spring forming machine. And this one heavy duty. For agriculture, for automobile industry, to producing very type, very size, very shape of extension springs are widely used in automobile industry, in agriculture, machinery as well, especially in automobile industry. Many types of extension springs by this heavy duty chemist wire rotary spring forming machine in using making extension springs for a wire from 3 to 8 millimeter. This for extension spring using in agricultural purpose in automobile industry. For one of the key section, key parts in every car have many extension springs for interior or exteriors. This is telling some more details, some more further details about the extension spring, about the spring, especially the extension spring, using location, using site in every automobile, in every car. For example, the landing wiper for the extension spring and the tension springs, for force load, for the truck, for brake system, for clutch, for accelerator, especially as like this landing wiper, the truck, the brake system, and the accelerator head. The car's phone list, many sites, many locations along the car, interior or outside, have extension screens. So, this one, for example of like this, the full screen like this, and this is the specification key parameters. Extension screen, this tight coil, extension screen, and the full set with additional hook. One stop will make it at least about 10 to 12 pieces per minute. This music was the chest expander for physical exercise, for sports, for fitness industry, for fitness music field. This is a typical extension screen by this one, by this machine. Meanwhile, we also have checklist one for the spring machine. All of them have the ability to set up easily, set up fast, learn fast for the task, mass production, the web type of extension screens. This is the checklist spring machine. Mass production, the extender screens for different wire thickness. The small one, like this, from 0.2 max to 2.5, and the largest was like this, for 3.8 millimeter, including the task, including a major part, the extension screens. And all of them with ability to mass production, the extension screens, less than 10 days with advantage of price competitive. But requires experienced operator for control this 10 days spring forming machine. And all of them, all the 6 models also have ability making extender screen for different wire thickness. This is a typical one, extension screen forming machine. And this 4 pack also with ability to mass production the converter chocolate coating, chocolate loading, as well with ability mass production extension screen like this, We are professional screen machine manufacturer, and this is example of our network to fix front of the traces before packing. Fix on front of the traces before packing with the base information. Our trademark for sales, domestic and international sales using this trademark. with over 20 years experience. The domestic for international sales. The Springland example, no number inputs net rate related our production date. This if the fire or any user we will fix this narrow in front of traces before packing. Meanwhile, we also have a lot of sales to the trading company. Never use their own net rate. So next, show you the extension screen. This one using in automobile industry like the brake screen. Every brake unit has at least 3 extension screens inside. So every car has at least 20 pieces extension screen in every car, in every vehicle. Extension screen. And this like using the check-in screens or industrial machinery, the full screen, the extension screen, also have extension screen using in sports field. For example, like this, the chest is expanded for critical exercise, for fitness, for critical practice. Chest extended screen. And this special between the compression and the extension, a special shape. It also can belong to the extension screen. And the mini size, mini wire extended screen for extended hooks or loops for extended neck extension screens. So it gets rusted. Material, long wire for extension screen of long wire steel, panel wire, stainless steel, iron, different alloys. Mostly used by carbon steel or stainless steel. It's extension screens. And this one, the carbon steel. This the heavy duty one for a wire or 6 millimeter extended screen in different form. For endless in form of hook, loop, or eyelet. This is our key steps of folding orders. The key step, the full procedure, and the outline for doing foreign exports. This also, if you are post-start in the post-process, with us, this is the key step. We are mid-sized CNC screen machine manufacturer. With order the models, almost 20 models. So our machine usually do not have stock every model. We get the order then install the machine. This is the full procedure. made in May of 2025, May of this year. Ladies, if you are interested, we can also send you by email or by WhatsApp the electric, the e-catalog. Okay, if you need it, add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat, or you can send me by email. This is the color clear of the contract word. Contract selection you can choose for the package, for promo by email, or instant by WhatsApp or by WeChat. The catalog every year in early week of summer we will attend from World International Mental Procession Exhibition. This is our catalog. We now have almost 20 models for different functions and processing different thickness of wire. One more time. Today the topic is the extension springs. The basic idea for extension springs for different appearance and poses by look, by hook, by twisted looks, or by setting of full hook, or by eyelids. And the user builds in the top of glass door, rice, industrial machinery, or factories, or toys, or household users. For the machines making, this is the regular wire from 0.2 the max to 8 millimeter, producing the extension springs in different price level and different logic of operate for chemists or chemist sellers. The examples, the user side. In automobile industry, this is the car brake spring belong to extension. So every unit, this example telling 3 extension spring inside for one pack of brakes. Automobile industry, a lot of extension spring used. For example, of item 1, the landing wiper, the track, the brake system, the accelerator pad, many sides in a car, inside or outside, and use it on extension springs. And the samples in automobile industry in kick balance, coupling, or toys, for electric appliance, also have this exchanger springs. And for sports of industrial machinery, this is the double load type at fossil. And the separate hooks, central hook, the extended semi-hook, and the Jackalope Island. Heavy duty, carbon steel over 6 millimeters. The tight loops in the center. One more time, this is my contact information. If you are planning to search for spring machine, mass production, exchanger spring, you are welcome to come to our factory for site audit, site inspect. Next time, if you with your team come to Guangzhou attending the visit, the exhibitions, you can take 2 or 3 hours from our factory for site face-to-face discussion to bring along with the samples. We are in manufacture in Dongguan, just a 1 hour taxi ride from our factory to Canterbury Post. We are in Dongguan City, within 53 kilometers to Canterbury Post.